All right, we are underway. So I've got an electric bike for the day. I've got the external mic turned onto the Ace Pro. And I've got noise suppression on and a wind muff on as well. I had a little bit of trouble getting the mount onto the handlebar because it's actually quite thick. But Hazel, the assistant, managed to help me out and get a little bit of rubber around the handlebars that proved thick enough for me to get this on without it slipping too much. And just about to join the trail here now. So this is pretty cool. And yeah, it's quite windy, it's quite breezy, so hopefully you'll still be able to hear me without too much wind interference. But yeah, we'll just follow along the trail for a little while. Oh. Morning. Super windy and someone overtaking me. Let's get up a gear. Now I'm only on number 1 assist here at the moment. Just letting this, let my legs do a little bit of work to start off with. And let's come through the shadows a bit here. It's been a while since I've been on a bike, and this is a very nice bike, I have to say. I get the feeling that the trail's going to be quite busy. Lots of people wearing high-vis clothing. And it's super duper windy right now, so let's see what it's like when I get past these trees, otherwise I might turn this off for a wee little while. Okay, we're going to go, just checking where I was going here. Oh, there's runners on this route now as well. Okay, let's turn this off for a while until I get into a sheltered area. Finally, that's a little bit better here. Woof! Yeah, very glad I brought my jacket with me today, otherwise it would be, ooh, that's quite shaky here. Let's see how the camera handles that. Yeah, it's quite cold today compared to how it has been. And with that southerly breeze coming off the Antarctic, it is chilly as. Oh, there's somebody here. Which I know. All right, let's just try and take the noise reduction off. Let's see how that is. There we go. It's just got the wind muff on now. Yep. So yeah, my plan is I'm just going to cycle along here. And there's a couple of turn-off places where I'm going to kind of aim to go for a little bit of coffee, maybe a tiny bit of cake. I mean, cake's okay, right? I've already walked 5k before 9 AM this morning. And yes, it's an e-bike. Well, I'll be kind of like running about 50k's today. So I just turn the noise suppression back on. Yeah, I'll be running about 50k's. Riding about 50k's today, so yeah. Need the energy, right? Okay, off again whilst this crazy wind is blowing. A bit more of a sheltered area again. That's a little more easy to deal with. It's kind of wetlands, I like area here to my right, and an industrialist kind of like area here to my left. It's a good way of taking advantage of like reclaimed land and stuff. Just giving way as we come over to this bridge. Make sure this guy's got some room. And when there's some space, I'll cover. Thank you so much. Good morning. Just have a look here as well. Hey, good morning. Thank you.
Morning.
Yeah, it's a shared pathway here, so you have to take care and stay frosty for other people and cyclists around the way. Not barge your way through. I mean, I've no rush today. I've got all day. All day. Because yeah, my flight doesn't take off until like 7 o'clock tonight. Now, the great thing about the Ace Pro is that, I'll show you later, but the fact that you've got the screen that tips up is wonderful. It means that you can keep it at a 90-degree angle and actually see what you're filming. So I can see that, I can see it juddering around now on this cable-y kind of like surface. So hopefully the stabilization will take care of that, because it's really shaking around a lot. And I've got some boardwalk coming up here now. I can see ahead. But yeah, if it was like a GoPro, I wouldn't be able to see what was on the screen. I'd only be able to see like a tiny sliver. Wouldn't have any idea as to kind of like, you know, how framing had changed or if it slipped or anything like that. So that's fantastic. I really do like that about the flip screen. I think for cyclists, even hobby cyclists like this, you know, you hire the bike for a day out, get this on the handlebars and you use that flippy screen, you can see exactly what's going on. You can, you know, I can even map. I've got my Apple Watch tracking this as a cycle. So I'm just going to just detour down here for a second, just down by the beach. I'm pretty sure this isn't the way, but just have a look for a second. Oh, there's a nice old bench here. I might pull up here and then I can also give you a little show and tell. Yeah, here we go. Oh no, I think this is the right way. I think I'll just carry on for a little while. Although that is a nice bench. I'll remember that for on the way back. Just check this sign. Oh, yep, tells me it's the right way. Great Taste Trail. That's what I'm on. And look, there's this massive industrial thing around the corner here. It's such a weird mixture of like industrial, reclaimed wetlands with these power poles in the middle of it as well. It's kind of an odd thing, but it's great that they made a cycle path here. I do love it. And even if this does turn out to be the wrong way, dead end, I've got an e-bike, which means it's not going to be too much effort for me to go back. Oh man, there's like a whole bunch of black swans. You know me, birding around. There's a whole bunch of black swans here. Might be worth just stopping a second. Nah, I'm gonna carry on. Oh, here we go. Right, bit of wind again. Let's pause the video as I get through this windy bit. Okay, this is exactly where they said I had to pay attention. Because if I go right here across the bridge, I'm heading out to Mapua, and the Great Taste Trail continued. But what I want to do is to go to the Great Escape Cafe and the Connings Food Market, because, you know, it's 10 o'clock, it's 10 a.m. and I do want to go and get a coffee and maybe a little something nice too. So I'm going to carry on here down on the left and we shall see. 2.5 kilometers it says. Some on road, take care. All right, we'll do that. Right, tiny bit lost in the Backstreets here, but almost there. Oh, going round and round in circles. Where am I supposed to be going here?
In 50 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Merryfield Drive.
Continue straight, that's what I needed to do. Took a bit of an early turn. They craftily put some other coffee shops in the middle of where I wanted to go, just to kind of fool me and get me to stop for a coffee early. Oh well, you didn't get me this time, crafty capitalist cafes. I'm going to find another crafty capitalist cafe to go to. Wait, this is a 80km/h road?
Turn left onto McShane Road.
Ooh, that's what it says. That's what I'm going to go on to. Right, let's turn the noise suppression on if I'm going to go that fast. Yep, we're okay here. Actually, no, we're not. I'm going to duck here on the left. That's better. Okay, I'll catch you at the cafe. Oh, it looks like I'm here. Now, the place to go apparently is Conning's Food Market. Apparently, the coffee is better here than in the actual cafe. So, I will find somewhere to park this bike, lock it up, and go and have a look at Conning's. There we go. Conning's Food Market. I think it's an okay place to park just here. Get me off. Alright, I'm finally here. I will go and find some coffee and then I'll go and drink it and probably get a little bit of cake as well. Alright, phew, how long is that? About 11.5k. Fun. Alright, so here's the food market. What am I actually going to get in here? I've got my eye on, well, I'm going to have coffee, of course. Probably a decaf. I'm getting more used to drinking decafs than recently, but I'll see if they've got decaf, because not everyone will. But check these out. Scone and an almond croissant could be a toss-up between those two, I think. Let's go and see. Do you do decaf?
Yep.
Can I get a decaf large latte, please?
Have here or takeaway?
For here, please.
Have here.
Can I get in a takeaway coffee cup?
So a takeaway?
Yeah, thank you. And can I get an almond croissant as well, please?
Almond croissant, and that was to have here?
Yeah, please.
On a plate, yeah?
Yeah, cool.
Those two today?
Yes, please, thank you.
Sweet, so I'll give you number 14. That's just going to be $13.
I'm glad to be outside in the shade, to be honest, because that place was full of flies, which is not particularly pleasant. Nor is the sound of that trolley rolling by. Anyway, here's my almond croissant, and I've got my decaf coffee here. I know decaf, but I'm kind of like trying to wean myself off coffee, and I'm down to like one caffeinated coffee a day, plus a Coke Zero in the afternoon. Actually not bad. Decaf coffee can be an acquired taste, but that's actually quite nice and smooth. It's not bad. Let's try this. Let's try this croissant. A little dry, but there is some inner moistness to come. Well, it was about a can't remember now. It was either 10 or 12 k bike ride. It'll be about 50 k's altogether today. So I'm probably I'll wander back the way I came, rejoin the trail, and then head to Mapua. I'm just gonna watch my battery here because this is nearly out, so I'm gonna need to swap this battery out and get another one in. I might actually recharge this one whilst I'm here up to 80%, because that's one of the good things about the Ace Pro, is that you can fast charge it in 22 minutes up to 80%. So I'm going to give that a go now.